You're here because you're bored of playing Minecraft single player by yourself. Well, this is Priceless SMP, a server where you can do anything. Hang out with friends, soar through the sky with an elytra, build a base, go to war, make storylines and lores, and you can even build a beacon if you want. Because on the server where anything is possible, the adventures are priceless.